Hello dear students, this is Tukaram Mundhe, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at the Sanjeevani College, Chafoli. Firstly, I welcome all of you in new academic year. As you know that due to COVID-19 disease, we are unable to conduct classroom lectures. We have decided to conduct the online lectures. Before going to any course subject, we must know the scope and syllabus of the course, so that firstly let's introduce to our course syllabus. Dear friends, our syllabus for third year has been divided into 6 papers. The 2 papers for the 5th semester and the 4 papers for the 6th semester, out of which the 2 are practical papers and 2 are theory papers. So for 5th semester, I will teach the paper number 12, which is a organic and inorganic chemistry paper. This paper carries maximum 50 marks, and to cover this paper we have just 45 periods. To complete this syllabus, such a huge syllabus, we'll go steadily and work hard. Without this, we don't have any other option. So let's introduce to the syllabus. Our paper constitutes 2 sections. One is organic chemistry section and another is inorganic chemistry section. In the organic chemistry section, the unit first is heterocyclic compounds. Now you know what is meant by heterocyclic compounds. Obviously you have studied it in the last semester, the compounds which contains one or more heteroatoms are known as heterocyclic compounds in the ring. Okay, now these heterocyclic compounds have been further classified into various classes or types, and we have to see all those types with their preparation methods, their chemical reactions, and their general properties. Firstly, we will see the molecular orbital structures of various heterocyclic compounds. This includes 5-membered, 6-membered heterocyclic compounds. These compounds have been divided based on their number of rings. It includes 5-membered rings, 6-membered rings, fused heterocycles. All these are the compounds known to as heterocyclic compounds. Now see, in the 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, we are going to study about the furan, pyrrole and thiophene. All these three compounds are very important in the field of medicine. After 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, we are going to see 6-membered heterocyclic compounds. In 6-membered heterocyclic compounds, we are studying same synthesis, chemical reactions and general properties of 6-membered heterocyclic compounds. It includes pyridine, indole and quinoline. Out of these three, pyridine is monocyclic while indole and quinoline are bicyclic. After the completion of the 6-membered heterocyclic compounds, the third unit is synthetic drugs and dyes. Now you are imagining about the drugs. Yes, correct. Okay, but when we utter an word drug, it is not limited to a particular type, but it's a wide range. It's a wide range which is used in our day-to-day life to cure various diseases. For example, drugs like paracetamol, sulfanilamide, then talbutamide, benzocaine, ibuprofen, all these drugs are being used in our day-to-day life. So, in this topic, we are looking for synthesis and uses of some drugs and their qualities. And the drugs included in this syllabus are aspirin, sulfadazine, isoniazide, paludrine, benzocaine and paracetamol. After completion of the drugs, we have to go for the dyes. Now, we use many dyes in various purposes in our day-to-day life, and the preparation, synthesis and uses of dyes we have to study in this topic. And the dyes to be covered are diamond black F, alizarin, methyl orange, indigo and orange second. All these dyes are used to color our clothes, to color various materials, and there are many purposes. The next topic is the fourth unit, and that is alkaloids, vitamins and pesticides. Now the alkaloids. The alkaloid means alkaline. The word alkaloid is synthesized from alkaline. It means the compounds which are basic in nature are known as alkaloids. And it includes the introduction of the alkaloids, their occurrence, their extraction, and the chemical constitution of various alkaloids. In this topic, we are going to make chemical analysis of various alkaloids. The alkaloids to be covered are nicotine, ephedrine, and ephedrine. Okay. The next topic is vitamins. You know that our body constitutes proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins. So that it is necessary to study the chemical constitution of vitamins and their role. So, in vitamins, we are going to see classification, sources, and a role of various vitamins. And these include B complex, A, D, E, and K. The vitamin B complex constitutes B1, B2, B3, B4, B6, and B12. As you know, B complex is a group of B vitamins. In B complex, B1, B2, B6, B3, B12 are included. And B12, B complex and vitamin C are water soluble vitamins, while other all are water soluble. So after vitamins, we are going to study pesticides. In pesticides, we use everyday various pesticides for various purposes. The pesticides used are classified depending upon the purpose. For example, if we are going to kill rats, at that time we use a special pesticide that is called rodenticide. When we are going to kill herbs, we use herbicides. Similarly, we use fungicides, insecticides, all others. And these pesticides include DDT, B.Sc, methoxychlore, carbaryl, and monochlorophos. This is the structure of organic chemistry section for your B.Sc T.Y. 5th semester chemistry syllabus. In this, we have gone through various topics such as heterocyclic compounds, either it could be 5-membered, 6-membered, or fused, and synthetic dyes and drugs, alkaloids, vitamins, and pesticides. All the topics are very important in the view of future education and your day-to-day life. So, after completion of organic section, we will see the next section, inorganic chemistry section. Now you know that inorganic chemistry is the chemistry of salts and minerals. So let's see. In organic chemistry section, we are covering coordination chemistry, which is purely of salts. The second section unit is the chemistry of elements in medicine. Now see, This topic is newly added in the syllabus by our B.Sc members and chairman to let you know the scope of inorganic chemistry and the elements to be used in the field of medicine, and the name is the chemistry of elements in medicine. This is also very important topic. Now the fifth unit, which is first unit of inorganic chemistry, is that is section B, is coordination chemistry. As you know, you have learned coordination chemistry in class 12th, and after that you have learned introductory part of coordination chemistry in the succeeding classes. The coordination chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of coordination compounds. Now, you may be a little bit fuzzy. You are feeling little fuzzy. So I will explain the concept of coordination compounds. A coordination compound is that compound which do not lose its identity in aqueous solution, or a coordination compound is a substance that do not use its ions in aqueous medium. It means it retains its identity in crystalline as well as aqueous medium. So this coordination chemistry is very interesting, and as we go through this chapter you will see various aspects of the coordination chemistry. For this semester there is just introductory coordination chemistry, which includes some of the terms to be used in the coordination chemistry, and after that the nomenclature of coordination compounds, Warner's theory of coordination compounds, and then isomerism in coordination compounds. After completion of all these topics, we will see very important topic for your exams, that is EAN rule. This is called effective atomic number rule of metal complexes. This is very important topic because mostly questions are to be asked on the EAN rule, at least for 2 marks. So the sixth unit is the chemistry of elements in medicine. This has great importance, and there are some treatments or medicines to be discussed here to cure some diseases. The first is chelation therapy. In this chelation therapy, we are going to study about the chelation therapy. What is meant by kill and what is this therapy? We will see this in topic. After that, we are going to study cancer treatment. Now you know cancer is very dangerous disease. It actually kills a man. It means this is very dangerous disease. So to treat this disease, there are some medicines, and we have to study these medicines, how we can cure or treat the cancer. The next is anti-arthritis drugs. It includes many drugs, and the person who is suffering from arthritis, we have to give anti-arthritis drugs to him so that he could get relief from his sufferings. We will see which are those drugs that can be given to a arthritis patient. Then next is imaging agents. Now in imaging agents, we have to see which are the imaging agents that can be used to scan our body. There are many techniques which use these imaging agents for scanning our body or to test in our body. The techniques such as MRI, CT scan, ultrasonography, all these are included in imaging agents. So it was the last point of your syllabus. In this way, we will complete our syllabus in upcoming days. For further reading of, I will provide you some of the notes on all these topics, but for your sake of reference or for further studies, you may go through some of the reference books such as Heterocyclic Chemistry by R.K. Bansal, then Organic Chemistry by Singh Mukherjee Kapoor, then Organic Chemistry by Jagdamba Singh, then Reaction Mechanism and Reagents in Organic Chemistry by Chatwal, then Chemistry of Pesticides by Buchel, Medical Chemistry by Berger, then Organic Chemistry by Claydon, Greaves, Warren and authors. And then for inorganic section, you may go through Inorganic Chemistry by Gurudeep Raj Chatwal, then Advanced Inorganic Chemistry by Satyaprakash Tuli Basu, Inorganic Chemistry by Hui, Kitter and Kitter, and then lastly very important book, that is Concise Inorganic Chemistry by J.D. Lee. All these books are very important, so you can obtain all these books from our library, which are available in our library, and study it. After completion of this course, you will be able to have basic knowledge of heterocyclic compounds, synthetic drugs and dyes, alkaloids, vitamins, pesticides, coordination chemistry, and elements in medicine. So we will see next topics in the next lecture. Thank you.